everyone, Storage Guy Guns here. Blacksmith has sent me yet another safe to review. This time it is a rifle safe. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and check it out. Uh-oh. Wow, this is very decent looking. I'm guessing this is the bag that comes with the instructions and everything. It's got a keypad for that. It's got a fingerprint sensor. Yep, that there is for the key. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the bag. Here's the key. Oh, this is to be able to mount it to the wall. USB cord override. And this must be user manual. That'll come in handy. Let's set the thing up. Before we set this thing up, look at the inside of this thing. Very impressive. Got the little side holsters here for your pistols. Matter of fact, of course, as we all know when it comes to firearms, regardless of whether there's a magazine in there, always check the chamber to make sure we are free, we are clear. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Or, if you want to throw it in the holster, take the Taurus G2C, throw it in the holster, put it right up on there. Cool. Blown away with just how good this is. I mean, it's got the slots here. You can put your ammo here. That slots down here. You can put your ammo down here too. And obviously, the racks for your rifles. Freaking sweet. Let's program the thing. So, according to the instructions here, we got to open the battery cover plate and insert 4 AA batteries. Now, the one downside about this thing that I noticed, I don't know if it was just me or if they just forgot to put them in. Didn't come with the AA batteries. Not that big of a deal. Ran to the store and got 4 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. All right, so obviously we got to get this thing open with the key, which just slide that down right there. Throw the key in there, turn it to the left, open up the safe, and right here is where we can put our batteries in. Open this thing up, and well, it's pretty self-explanatory from here where we put in our batteries. So let's just double check once we put our batteries in here. Okay. Here we go. All right, so according to the instructions here, the original administrator password is 123456, then star. And again. Ah, sweet. Okay. After the door opens, touch to wake up the keypad. Then we type in 00. Alright, so upon further inspection, we need to hit 00, then the green button. Green button being button right here. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you can see it. Right there. Alright. So according to the instructions, we do 00, then the green button. So let's do it. 00, green button. Alright, then from here, The new password that we want to do, let's just do 7016 and end it with that. And boom. So that should be it. Let's see if it works. Well, what do you know? Pretty easy setup as far as that goes. Let's do the fingerprint now. Okay, so in order to do the fingerprint, all right, so we need to first get the safe open. So we'll do the code that we just did, 7016. Because we need that green button again. That on purpose because I wanted to show you a neat little feature with this safe. If someone's trying to get into your safe and using the incorrect fingerprint, there's an alarm that's going to go off. Of course, it sounds like an R2-D2 on steroids, but hey, nice little feature with it. A little bit of a different process when it comes to setting up the fingerprint. You push this little green button once, you hear the double beep, that light will turn on. You got to do this 4 times. And boom, it is registered. So, not only can you open it with the code, now we can also open it with a fingerprint. Awesome. An awesome feature with this safe, you can have over 30 fingerprints programmed for this safe. So if you have like a wife, a loved one, or a trusted adult that needs access to that firearm in order to defend themselves, you can just program their fingerprint to work right with it. All in all, an amazing safe by Blacksmith to store your rifles, your ammo, your handguns, everything. It's just a beautiful, beautiful safe. Use your fingerprint to get it open. You got the little pockets here for your pistols, little pockets here for your ammo, of course the racks for the rifles, shelf up here in case you want to throw a handgun or some more ammo or whatever. It is a great safe at a great price. Link to the safe above, coupon code below. Check it out, highly appreciate it. Signing off.